Welcome. In front of me is an LG F60, and today I will show you how to change date and time settings. So to begin, we're gonna open up the settings app and then find the date and time right here, date and time. And from here you can have a couple options. You can have it enable or disable the automatic time and date. And if you disable it, you will have to set it up manually. So set up the day that you wish and confirm it, and the time, same thing, you want to choose whatever time you have and confirm it. Then you also have the automatic time zone, which if there is some kind of time change because of the zone or wherever you are, it will basically change it automatically. And you can also disable that, so now time will be completely static and you get to choose your time zone from here. So for instance, I'm going to choose Warsaw and it's plus 2 hours. And yeah, now as if I would change it to a different time zone, I believe the time would change as well. So let's add in, for instance, additional hour. Let's go to, there we go, 3 hours. And I would add an extra hour, as you can see. So I'm just gonna choose again the automatic. Then you also have an option for the time format, so you have 12 hours or 24 hour, and in 12 hours you get a PM and AM setting. And then you have the select date format, so how you want to display days and months, in which order. And yeah, that's basically it that you have for the settings. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.